Hayır. Hmm. Don't look very well. Yes. I'm not sure what the problem here is. Anyways, yeah, George. Here's the one command I made yesterday. I'll show you guys how this all works in game soon, but I'll show you when I do my first test. Right now, I don't know why this is causing problems. There has to be something with the fact that I just changed this. Oh. There we go. Alright, so plan right now is to have you be able to type something like TIA or timer announcement, like add after 120 seconds hello. So like the command, what your action, you want to add one, have this command run after the round's been running for 2 minutes, and the command text set. That's kind of how it's going to work. And you can also do remove, or you could do list. Just then list all the current timers. All these timers are going to be saved right here. Right here I have the presets file saved. It's going to be saved along with that. So that's the goal. And I've just started that. Right now I'm just working on the command. So I need to figure how to add these. So firstly, I need to check if sender is a player. The player who sent the command is a player to make sure it's not done through console. If, what did I make it? Yeah, if is player whitelisted. Oh wait. The player from the whitelist is just for permissions to make sure they have permission to run the command. Oh, whoops. Just go steal this from something else. Okay. I'm gonna use this as a reference since I've already done this, so, you know, there's no purpose in redoing it. Aiden, my school doesn't teach me how to do this either. This is all self-taught. So if it equals add. That'd be time text. So it'd be 0, 1, 2. So if it's greater than 1, greater than 1, else, otherwise we can just return new string. I don't know, you need to like what you're doing. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have a passion for it. Okay, so let's return that. So if there are 2 arguments or more, alright. So now we gotta get the oh no, we have to write to the file. So now I've just gotta check if all these things are real. Let's go to the save thing, so... this, string current text. Think you'll get a job in coding. That's the goal. I mean, believe it or not, but I'm pretty bad at this compared to other people. But I'm still learning. Okay. Right, so... right, we need to get the name of it. So the name should be, this is args0. Oh no, this should just be the time. This should be an int. Int time equals int 32 dot okay. We gotta do if int 32 dot try parse args1 out int a. Is that how to do it? No, what did I do wrong? Oh, it's all in one parentheses. Where was I? I lose where I am a lot. See, I have no clue what file I was just in. I think it closed. Yeah, it closed for some reason. Yeah, it should be like that. And then a comma there. Perfect. Oh, I need to create the file. Oh no, I didn't. I need system.io. Alright, Aiden. George, you dedicated to watch this? Alright. Int time equals... that'll be fine. Alright. So that's checking the time. So we've got the time. Now we need the text. So let's move this here. This isn't needed right now. This is also not needed. This is also not needed. So to get the text, save text. Alright, now let's just do that. Alright, so save text is where we're going to store what we want to actually save. And this is a nice little function I wrote to do that for me. So, for int I equals 2, 0, 1, Yeah. Okay, or Lamau. So, we've got this. This should get I should make this into a function. Let's go here. Public static string name. I don't know what to name it. Okay. String args. No, it should just be a string. Okay, so now we need in start position. What should I call this? Get let's just do string array to string. Perfect. So now let's go here, and right here this could be save text equals custom announcements dot string array to string args start position would be 2. Nice. So now here, now that I've done that, should be able to do save text equals same thing. Also starting position 2. Yeah. Did you name yourself Wet 10? I don't know. Alright, first thing we should try is seeing if we're getting this text properly. Alright, let's run our first test. All code paths return a value. What path doesn't? Well, this is going to be an else if, but for now. For now, I guess you can just return invalid time. Sure. Nope, that was not what I needed to do. Well, it was. What? Every one of these paths has to return a value. Right here. This isn't returning anything. There we go. Alright, now let's pop this in there. Start up the game. Start up the server. I mean, I like doing streams like this because it's just like chill, and you get to just, you know, hang out and listen to some music of a random YouTube playlist I found. Currently waiting for the server to start up. So I'll show you guys how the plugin works. I know Lamau already knows how, but George, I'll show you. Alright, server started. Alright, let me pause this really quick. Alright. Alright, so this is very quiet. Alright, here's how it would work. We've got this command, SCP-111.
SCP-111 contained successfully. Containment unit unknown.
Yep, we've got MTFA, or MTFA, or MTF announcement. There are 1 SCPs left, it's 15, let's make it C.
Mobile Task Force Unit Epsilon.
This would be Charlie 15.
Charlie 15
Yep.
has entered the
And then it'll say 1 SCP is left.
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will occur
George,
in
you're a
T-minus
genius.
15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
George, you're a genius. I'm definitely gonna do that. Alright, now there's... what other commands are there? I should make a custom announcements thing. It just lists all the commands. That'd be good. Okay, there's text command, which is the text hello class D.
Hello, Class D.
Now, this isn't unlimited words. There's only so many words it can use, so it'll tell you if your phrase is not in the text of speech, because there's only so many words made. What else is there? Right, there's countdown. CDA. This one took me a while. So it would be countdown, start countdown, let's go 5, end, 0, and then what to say at the end. Hello. Kappa. Yes, Kappa is in the text of speech.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hello, Papa.
Yeah, there you go. And now there's the command that took me 5 hours yesterday, which is PA or preset announcements. So PA list. There are currently no saved presets, as you saw in that text file. Now this will carry on over server restarts. So let's go PA save. Let's give it a name. Let's give it the name George. Kappa. It'll save the preset George. Now if we do PA list, it'll show you the name and what it'll say. We could do PA load George, and it'll load the preset. Now also here, in that file I showed you earlier, it is now saved here. So I could also do PA remove George, and now if I restart this, it's gone. So it saves everything like that. So it's saving presets. It's great. Also, yes, George, that's definitely possible. So now the hope is, if I were to type, what was the command, TIA? Oh, I'm not allowed to run this command. Nice. So I screwed up in my permissions somewhere. CA timer whitelist. Oh, right. I didn't screw up my permissions. Yeah, I changed my role because I was testing role colors for the Patreon role. Oops.
Danger. Light containment zone overall decontamination
Actually, I need to...
in T-minus
Oh, no.
10
It is the right
minutes.
role. I just changed the color. Uh-oh. That should be fine. Yeah, and then here gets that. That's why, you see, this is the thing with programming. You see this right there? That exclamation point. That's what broke it. Yep. Now we rebuild it. Put it back in here. And try again. This is when it gets tedious because the server takes forever to start up. That one exclamation point broke the whole command. No, I didn't say it loud enough, that's why I needed the exclamation point. Actually, while I'm waiting for this up, I guess I'll explain this. This is a true or false value, this command right here. So it's checking with a function that I've already made. It's saying, is the player whitelisted, true or false? And it was saying, if the player is whitelisted, tell them they're not allowed to run the command. The exclamation point means not, or the opposite of. So this means if you're the opposite of true, so if you're false, if you aren't allowed to run the command, then do this. So now I had it completely reversed, so I was allowed to run it, but it wasn't running because I had the command reversed. Oh, right, I forgot. Well, actually, I'm testing something. No, I'm not using anything. I'll restart the music. Alright, now let's do TIA add. Right, add kappa. Invalid time, right. TIA add 80. Nice. As you can see, we got out the output. So we're on the right path, which is good. So this should be else if arg0.to lower remove code. Alright, so this can go away. And that can go away. So we're getting the text correctly. Actually, this is a complete waste of time. We could just go like that. Right? Yeah. Oh, this should not be preset file path. This should be dot... what do I call it? Timed file path. Okay, so now that I have that text, I have to now write the file line. How did I write it here? Oh, actually, no. First, I need to check to make sure every line is a voice line. So now, yeah, this will work fine. All right. Now we go like that. File dot timed file path time saved timer. Perfect. That should be the add command done. Now we gotta do the remove command. Alright, so I'm going to use this as a reference again. Let's grab this. What do I have text as? Oh, it's the preset, right. Okay. I've got to get the current text. String time equals... oh, wait, I have to check to make sure it doesn't already exist. Yeah, this. I completely forgot this. I can just copy and paste this, though. I don't need dot to lower on a time. Alright, let's try this. Text is assigned but is never used. Oh. Oh my god. Same problem. Good enough. What? Well, it doesn't return a value. Yeah, whatever. Alright, there we go. What? What do you mean? What file path does not return? Oh my god, it's right here. Okay. I don't know how much time I'll have here. Probably gonna have to go soon, but... I'm trying to think of some super secret stuff I could reserve for patrons. Patrons, however you say. Ben Webb, thanks for the sub. Alright, let's give this save command a try. So first of all, that should have automatically created... Uh-oh. What?
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will occur in T-minus 15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
I chunked this together. I didn't realize I could chunk this together. What do I call this? Timed file path. There. That'll create the file. Alright, so this file doesn't exist. Let's run this, and we should see that file pop up. You can access the speaker, say like facility detonation or something, and have it say boom. Maybe like once around, or once every so often they can. No, because I couldn't do that. Gert, you did? I saw someone do it earlier, but it wasn't showing up. That's probably why, because your mod tag will overrule. Hold on, let me check. Are you online? Yeah, you are. It didn't give you it? Uh-oh. It should have given it to you automatically. It has integration with Discord. Do you have it linked? Do you need to have it linked to your Discord or something? Yeah, you should. Do you have... Wait. I don't know. I have no idea how it works. Do I need to link it somehow? I don't know. Try Googling it. If you can't figure it out, I'll just give it to you manually, but then I'll have to remove it manually, and I'd rather it all be automated. Thank you, though, for becoming a patron. Okay. TIA. Hold on. First of all, is this not here? Oh. This isn't here, and that's not good. Because I just added this, and that should have started it. It should have created it. That's why, because I forgot to change this. Those little mistakes get me every time. Let's try it again. And we should see that file pop up. I'll take a look. Oh, apparently directly after becoming a patron on the thank you page, there'll be an option to connect on Discord. Click this link to link your Patreon Discord account. Yeah, so you have to link it somehow. Also, there's the file. So that's nice.
Jake, you want to play top?
So yeah, go back, see if you can link it. I don't know if you just missed that step.
They use TeamSpeak.
Okay. So, don't give me an authentication error. It's gonna give me an authentication error. This game's annoying. Yep. Even from my own server.
Look at his sorry ass. Wait a minute. I found this.
That's my brother in the background, by the way. Okay, TIA. TIA add 8. Uh-oh.
I found it in my basement.
That's bad. TI, alright, so where does it occur? Add, that's fine. Add 1. So it occurs on that part. So what happens there if there are 2 arguments or more?
That's pretty bad. But would you like to see something better? There's a page.
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will
You did it?
occur
All good?
in
Let me check.
T-minus 15 minutes.
Oh, there you go, you got it.
All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Oh, Gert, not gonna give you a rank because you already have your mod tag. But thank you again so much for supporting. Really does mean a lot. What's wrong with this?
What? Want to see what it looks like to be upset?
If it's greater than 1. If it's greater than 1. So this would be R1, R2. So yeah, if it's greater than 1, it'll try to parse 1, because that's 0 and that's 1, as an integer.
Look at this.
I feel like the issue's right here, but I don't know.
I couldn't look worse.
So if current text.length, is it because I didn't add that?
Let me invite my friend to watch.
Did it write anything to the file? No.
Wait a minute. How do I add it?
I am not sure. Could it be this? Reach. Oh, it is voice line. Got it. Oh, I know what the problem is. Oh, I forgot to do this. The very start, I need to do that. Very start of the command. That'll do it. Yep. Why is this not playing anymore? Okay.
He knows basically how to play Cho'Gath and Xayah. It's okay, I'll play bottom. Here's another thing you could play.
Gotta go for a bit. A really good way to end this off would be for this command to work right now. So TIA add, good, add 10 capital, save timer, TIA add that, oh right. Almost broke my own program. Alright, TIA add, let's do one more. Okay, let's try string. This should throw an error. Nice. Add 444 hello class D kappa. Save time. Now let's check the file. Beautiful. Perfect. Great way to leave it. Maybe actually, all you guys are probably going to be asleep by then, so maybe in like 30 minutes I'll come back on and finish this, who knows. But that's a good place to stop. For now, because I gotta go do some stuff, so. See you guys.